I was talking to one of our long-term client and 2 years na yata or 3 years na siya sa agency namin and nag-touch base kami just to see how things are going. One concern na sinabi niya is that he's very happy because now he can run ads na sa Facebook because it's easy to mirror other people's ads. I-check mo lang yung competitor mo kung paano sila nagra-run ng ads. You can copy that. But ang pinaka-challenge sa kanya is Google. Which is why hanggang ngayon naniniwala ako na instead of just running Facebook ads alone, it's good to know how to run ads din sa Google. Doon ngayon pumapasok yung PPC class namin kasi tinatanong dito ni Chanel, sabi niya, nagtuturo po ba kayo ng Facebook ads? Facebook ads alone, you can learn sa Facebook Blueprint. But if you guys want a more sustainable freelancing business as a media buyer, which is yun talaga yung tawag doon sa nagra-run ng mga ads, you might wanna learn PPC, which is pay-per-click. It's another form of media buying. And yung class namin, which is next week, September 21 and 22, it covers Google and it covers Meta. Hindi ko alam kasi ngayon lang ulit babalik si Grace. Hindi ako sure if i-interject na niya yung TikTok. But kailangan talaga as a media buyer, marunong kang mag-run ng ads sa Google. Anyway, yung class namin, may kasama na rin siyang internship and 999 pesos lang siya. If you guys want to join the class, punta lang kayo sa profile ko tapos i-click nyo yung link sa bio ko. Ngayon dito, na ito na yung Gig Hub, nandiyan na yung lahat ng kailangan yung malaman kung paano mag-start na mag-work from home. But if you're looking for live mentorship para matuto ng media buying, i-click nyo lang 999 PPC Media Buying with Internship and it will open the form. Andun na lahat ng detalye kung paano mag-enroll. The training process includes basics of freelancing, lahat ng kailangan yung malaman, ano ba yung freelancing, paano ba yung work from home. That's part of the onboarding process which is required bago kayo maka-attend ng live session next week. After the onboarding, live mentorship na. After the live mentorship, 2 weeks na internship. After the internship, application book naman kung saan mag-aaral kayo kung paano nga bang mag-apply. Doon din matututunan kung paano kayo mag-create ng inyong application book na isasabit ninyo as a form of final activity before kayong makapag-set ng one-on-one with me. Sa one-on-one mock interview yon, we'll talk about ano nga ba yung pinakang common questions asked from media buyers, how are you going to ace your interviews, and then saka yung certification. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!